tutorial, I'm going to show you how to automatically remove duplicate and clean messy data using just a few lines of AppScript in your Google Sheets. So instead of cleaning data manually every time, we're going to automate the entire process just with a few lines of AppScript. So by the end of this video, you will have a button right inside your Google Sheets that you can clean your data with one click. Okay, let's see. Here's a typical example. Some values have extra spaces, emails are in different cases, and there are multiple duplicate rows that look almost identical. This can break formulas, cause inaccurate reporting, and create headaches when importing data into other tools. So let's clean this. Inside your Google Sheet, go to the top menu and click Extensions. Then AppScript. This opens the AppScript editor for this exact spreadsheet. Think of it as the automation brain behind your sheet. If you see any default code here, feel free to delete it. We're starting fresh. Now I'll type the code, then explain it to you. You can find the code and the sheet in the description. Alright, this is the code. Here you can see 6 steps. Step 1 connects to your spreadsheet and selects the sheet you want to clean. The next step reads every row and column into memory for faster processing. Step 3 removes extra spaces from all text cells. This is crucial because hidden spaces break lookups, filters, and matching. Step 4 normalizes the email column or any text column you choose. The next step removes duplicates by building a signature for each row. If the same row appears again, it gets skipped. And the last step clears the sheet and replaces it with clean, unique, and formatted data. You can find the code and the sheet in the description. Click the save icon, then click on Run. The first time you run it, Google will ask you for permission. Review and click Allow. After it runs, return to your sheet, and you'll immediately see the differences. No duplicates, clean formatting, consistent email values, everything neatly trimmed. To make this even easier, let's turn it into a button inside your spreadsheet. Go to Insert, Drawing. Create a simple text button saying Clean Data. Click Save and Close. Right-click the button, assign a script, and type the function name here. Now let's see how it works. And that's it. You now have a custom button that automates your entire cleanup process. Here's an optional but very powerful step. You can schedule this script to clean your data automatically every day. To set this up in AppScript, click the clock icon on the left, click Add Trigger, choose Function, Clean Data, Event Source, Time Driven, choose a frequency like daily or every hour. Your sheet now keeps itself clean with zero manual effort. You can find the code and the sheet in the description. And that's it. Now you have a fully automated data cleaning system in your Google Sheets. For the next, I suggest you to watch this playlist that will improve your skills in cleaning data in your Google Sheets. If you like this tutorial, please hit the thumbs up and do subscribe in case you're not subscribed yet. If you need any kind of Google Sheets automation, please let us know in the comments. Okay, as always, Thanks for watching. Have a good time.